Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable background audio feature on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update TikTok application. And then you need to open TikTok and click on your profile in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy. In content and activity, you will find a new option, background audio, and once you click on that you can enable that, and once you close the TikTok, that audio will be play, but that feature is now only available on the iPhone. If you are iPhone user, you can enjoy that feature, but on the Android this update is not available till yet, so you need to wait for few days. And the TikTok will roll out this feature soon in the future. So by following these steps you can easily enable background audio feature on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.